Have you ever wanted to take a PowerPoint presentation, convert it to a GIF file, and upload it to a social media platform? But the challenges that you ran into is that each social media platform have its own size requirements. Well, with Camtasia, you can easily make these changes, and I'm going to show you the process from start to end. Let's get started. Okay, so I have Camtasia open, and as you can see, I have a new project here. Everything is blank. I do have an existing PowerPoint presentation. And so the first step I want to do is add my thumbnail. And I have my thumbnails saved in a library. I have a TextMyth library. And I'm going to take my cover slide and add it to the canvas. My project size is currently on 1920 by 1080. Well, with YouTube, you have to have a 2:5 ratio or 5:2 ratio, and I went and searched and had to create a custom size for it. So if I go to custom and enter in 1106, if you create and want to start posting some of these GIF files on your YouTube channel, remember this width and height. So I'm going to hit apply. Notice how my presentation is not fitting in there. If you just right click on it and say scale to fit. So that's good. I'm going to move my slider to the end of this project, and let's add our presentation. Now there's a couple ways. If you click on the import button here, and I'm going to show you, if you click on the import button and choose your PowerPoint presentation, the slides will actually come in, but may not be in the right order. So I prefer not to do it this way. The way I like to do it is I like to take the file, I'm in Windows 11, I'm in File Explorer, and I take it and drag it right onto the timeline, because now I know that it's going to be in the correct order. And I move this out the way. And the reason why it's not coming in order here is because it might depend on you sorting by the name, or you're sorting by, duration or date added. The next thing I want to do is, I know that these clips are by default come in as 5 seconds. And for a GIF file, I don't want it to be 5 seconds. I want them all to be 2 seconds. So I'm going to highlight my selection. Right click, click on duration, and type in 2 seconds and press OK. So notice that I have a gap. Instead of moving these all individually, click on your magnet and watch how they all come together, but make sure that you unselect it once you're done. And I'm scrolling through here, and I could choose this black background if I want to, or we can change the color, background color. Let's say if we wanted to choose this white. And let's just scan through. This looks nice and clean. Because of our presentation or our slide doesn't fit through the whole entire screen, that is the reason why you want your backdrop to be as close as possible so it still looks seamless. My thumbnail has been filled in. Now let's go ahead and export it. Export to local file. We want to choose the file type to be a GIF file. If you say GIF or GIF, either one will work. And let's hit export. I have navigated to my YouTube channel, and I'm on my post. I'm going to click on image. And notice, this is where I was having that trouble. It's telling me that I needed that 2:5 or 5:2 ratio to line up properly. I'm going to drag the GIF into this area, and now it fits. and we're good to go. Now, go work your magic.